Welcome traders. So this is going to aim predominantly at day traders, obviously a little bit more advanced, and I'm doing this on Pro Real Time's beta version 13, which is just a little bit slicker. I just love the way that they optimize the interface. Obviously, nothing is wasted, and so keeping it just nice and slick and thin, and it's very fast. I'm such a fan of Pro Real Time, I have to say. So anyway, so let's have a quick look here. So first of all, what we're really looking for here is the question of whether the dollar is going to continue to strengthen this week, or whether it's going to weaken, revert back to its sort of longer term, medium term trend. And I think that there's some early signs of that. So I'm going to take you through this. But first of all, let's just kind of have a look at what we got here. So on the 15 minute, we've started to go sideways. We've got definite bullish divergence. We've got, and so this is kind of what I'm paying attention to. Oopsie, let's pause that and see what I did there. So just essentially what I'm looking to do here is to see if we ultimately break up through this downward sloping trend line. We definitely are starting to cool off a bit. And on the lower time frames, we're starting to see that divergence. So that's looking particularly good. Interestingly enough as well, cable's been pretty weak lately. Cable is weaker than the euro, relatively speaking. You can see the deeper retracement here compared to euro dollar, but also compared to recently. But it is also trying to turn around. So we've got the early stages of an attempt at an uptrend today. We're going to see if that dollar weakens, we'll get some help from that. So, but in terms of actual trading opportunities, for me, I think euro dollar is probably the most attractive at this point today, especially if it starts to break higher here. If it breaks above that 1697 level or 1.17 level, I think it's going to start to accelerate to the upside. Aussie dollar here, just focusing on the 15 minute here, you can see that we're attempting to break and move a little bit higher. And again, also here breaking upwards through that downward slope.